this video we are going to see that how can we edit or add new authors in Microsoft Word document. So what is an author in Microsoft Word? An author is someone who has actually compiled the document. So if you can see on the top right corner, this is the name that's been shown of the author. If you want to change this name, like you want to create some documents with a different name, or two or more people are working on a document and want to add their names as the author, then how do we do that? So the steps are really simple. You need to go to the file tab. Here in this related people, you have this author information. So if you want to add an author, you can just hover over it and you would be able to add an author. Okay, so let me just type the name of the author that you want to add. So let me just type a random name like Tony, and if I just click on this button, so you can see if any of the names of such a person or such a contact is there in the memory, those contacts would be shown. But right now there is nothing named as Tony over here. So what I can do is add a new contact. Here what I can do is update the profile. So let me just type in the name, and that would be it. Actually, let's just split the names. First Tony, last Stark, like this. Okay, that much information is sufficient. Let's click on OK. Now we have added one author. Let's just add another. Let's search for Steve and go to contacts. No such contact found. Let's just create a new contact. This time it would be Steve and last name would be Rogers. Click on OK. So now I have three authors. You can just select some author, like I have selected Tony Stark. Now if you just go back, this document would be authored by that particular person. You have changed the author. If you just right click over here, you want to edit some of its properties, you can do that. You want to open its contact card, you can do that. Or if you want to remove the author, there is this option to remove the person. Right click, remove the person. But if there is only one author, then you cannot remove it. Okay, so that's how you can work with the authors and add them, remove them. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.